Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and welcome if you're new here, welcome if you're returning. Thank you so much for staying with me and learning about these music lessons on how to read music. This is lesson number 16. This is for a basic beginner. I think I might have misspelled beginner, but bear with me. This is for music theory, and in this lesson we're going to put it all together. This is the right hand. Anyway, this is your treble clef. This is a bar line. This guy here. This is your time signature. And these are your notes. You have 4 lines, 5 spaces. 4 spaces, 5 lines. You have F, A, C, E. The very top space is a G. The bottom line is E, G, B, D, and F. You have a rest. This one is a funny looking quarter rest. So this is how we read. This is in between, after the time signature and the bar line. This is called a measure. And there you have it. Something very simple and basic. If you want to learn how to read music, this is how you read music. I can't get it out today. So let's go over. This here is a bar line, treble clef, time signature, your notes. These are called notes. So you have F, A, C, E. Top space is G. Bottom line is E, G, B, D, F. You have a quarter rest. You have your half rest. That's the 3 counts. Remember, the rest means silence. Silent counting. Remember, the quarter rest is 1 count because that's just the rule of music. And the time signature, 4 beats to measure. You can count 1, 2, 3, 4. The bottom note, this time signature represents the quarter note. So these are all whole notes that I wrote. Something very simple and easier to see. F, A, C, E, G, E, G, B, D, F. You have a quarter rest. You have the measure in between the bar lines. This is a bar line. Time signature, treble clef, and that's it. The rest. And if you see it sharp, it will look like this, or before it will be in between the treble clef and time signature. Or sometimes, I don't know if it will be out here. You have to double check on that. Or it will be like this. You have never sharp, flat, and one more new one. This one means natural, and you just cancel. You play note regular. What I mean by regular, if it's a G, it's not a sharp or flat, you just play it as a G. If it's a flat, then you play it as a flat. If it's a sharp, you play it as a sharp. Yeah, every time you see this guy here, it means it's a natural. You cancel the sharp and the flat. So it will look something like this next to it, and then you just play a sharp or flat or whatever it's called in music. I hope you guys like this video. Please give me a good thumbs up. Hit that subscribe or like. It's all free. And if you want to support me, read the description box down below and see the links. And to be connected to my other social media. I do arts and crafts. I haven't been able to find a new craft idea just yet, but it'll come. Have to think about, how to do a new craft or a keychain idea or something like that. But for now, we're going to do these music lessons because this is important. You have to know how to read this in order to play the notes on your instrument. This right hand can be for any instrument that you choose to play. Piano, flute, guitar. Maybe, I don't know about guitar, but trumpet, violin, cello, all the woodwind instruments, clarinet, oboe, piccolo, and flute basically reads this type of notations. And let's go over it one more time. Here what I'm pointing to is a bar line. You have the treble clef, time signature, flat, sharp, F, A, C, E, G on the top, E, G, B, D, F, quarter rest, natural, half rest, 3 counts, quarter rest, 1 count. Natural means to cancel out the sharps and flats. And there you have it. Now you guys are caught up to speed, and good luck in your music career. I think this is the end of the series, and if you want to review the other videos, you can, and keep them for reference. So this is the last lesson for music theory. I hope you guys enjoyed the beginner series, and yeah, so thank you for watching, and I'll come up with other ideas for videos. So stay with me and keep coming back for more. Thank you so much for watching my channel. And don't forget to like and subscribe, hit that notification bell. Check the description box down below. And we'll see you all in the next video. Goodbye, everybody, and good luck.